Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Exodus Wallet desktop application step by step. First, navigate to the official Exodus website and download the desktop application for your operating system. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation, which typically takes just a few moments. After installation, you will either create a brand new wallet, generating a unique 12-word secret recovery phrase, or restore an existing one using your phrase. Now, let's cover sending and receiving funds. To receive cryptocurrency, simply select the asset you wish to receive and click the Receive button to display your unique wallet address. Share this address with the person or service sending you funds. For sending, choose the asset, click Send, input the amount, and paste the recipient's address. Always take an extra moment to verify the address before confirming your transaction. Exodus makes exchanging cryptocurrencies incredibly simple with its integrated exchange feature. Navigate to the Exchange section within the wallet. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade from and the one you want to receive. Enter the amount you'd like to swap, and the wallet will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees. After reviewing, confirm the transaction to complete your asset conversion. Finally, let's look at managing your portfolio and ensuring security. Exodus provides a clear overview of all your assets, displaying their current value and market performance. Remember to back up your wallet using your 12-word secret recovery phrase and store it in a secure, offline location. For enhanced security, enable a strong password and consider two-factor authentication. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.